No matter where you are in your fitness journey, beginner, intermediate, or advanced, the secret is not perfection, but consistency. Today, I'll show you easy-to-follow workout routines designed for every level, simple, effective, and guaranteed to make you feel stronger every single day. Welcome to jkworld035. Let's start with beginners. If you're just getting started, your focus is on building consistency and confidence. Here's your 10-minute starter routine. Bodyweight squats, 2 sets of 12. Knee push-ups, 2 sets of 8. Standing march or step jacks, 2 minutes. Plank hold, 15 seconds. This routine wakes up your body, strengthens your foundation, and requires zero equipment. Do this 3 times a week and you'll notice progress faster than you think. If you've already built some stamina, let's step it up. The intermediate routine adds resistance and intensity. Jump squats, 3 sets of 12. Push-ups, 3 sets of 10. Dumbbell rows, 3 sets of 12 per arm. Mountain climbers, 30 seconds. Plank with shoulder taps, 20 seconds. This level balances strength and endurance, pushing your limits while still being accessible. Try it 4 times a week for real transformation. For advanced warriors, this is where intensity meets discipline. Burpees, 3 sets of 15. Weighted squats or lunges, 3 sets of 12. Pull-ups or assisted pull-ups, 3 sets of 8. Push-up to shoulder tap, 3 sets of 12. Plank to side plank transitions, 40 seconds. This routine demands strength, balance, and endurance. But remember, form always beats speed. Respect your body and it will reward you. No matter your level, the key is progress, not perfection. Start small, stay consistent, and challenge yourself 1 step at a time. The best workout is the one you'll actually do. This is jkworld035, helping you unlock your best self. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with someone who needs that push. See you in the next one.